Let's talk about the difference between a mapped account and linked account. When we say mapped account, it's the same as the term primary account. Now that Google Ad Manager and Google Ad Exchange have been unified, they can now be accessed in the same platform or user interface. That means Ad Exchange cannot exist unless you have a Google Ad Manager account. So in short, if you own that Ad Exchange account and you own that Ad Manager account as well that is mapped with it, they're like twins. They're inseparable. If you have a primary or mapped account, under Admin Global Settings, you should have a tab called Ad Exchange Account Settings. And that's where you will see your publisher ID for that Ad Exchange account. Here are some of the things you can do on a primary or mapped account. First, you can create programmatic guaranteed or preferred deals and private auctions. That's where you can invite certain set of advertisers or buyers to bid and buy your traffic at a certain price. This is also where you can set up open bidding or exchange bidding on dynamic allocation. This is where some of those yield partners or demand partners supporting open bidding can participate in the auction. They will all compete or bid in real time. It's like server-to-server integration. It's almost similar to how header bidding works. When there's an ad request that comes in, Ad Exchange would also get and receive these bids from different yield partners participating in the open bidding, and whichever demand partner pays the highest CPM, that's the bid that goes in dynamic allocation. You can also set up unified pricing rules or Ad Exchange rules. Define your hard floor, or set your target CPM for your inventory. The primary or mapped account also allows you to set up First Look. First Look allows you as a publisher expose your high-value inventory to select buyers. They get priority over those in the open auction. You also get more options in setting up protections on a mapped or primary account. Now, how about a linked account or just a regular Ad Manager account which is not mapped with Ad Exchange? You will notice that when you go to your Admin Global Settings, you won't have that Ad Exchange Account Settings tab, but you have the option to link an account, AdSense or Ad Exchange, if you'd like them to run on dynamic allocation. This can then directly communicate with Ad Exchange and get real-time bids for every given ad request. Like we discussed in the previous lessons, once it's linked here, you then set up your orders and line items and target the inventory where you want Ad Exchange to run on dynamic allocation. And of course, you have to make sure your line item type is Ad Exchange to make that happen. When it comes to running reports, in a mapped account, you have the option to do Ad Exchange historical report. So all the options you have here will be that of Ad Exchange. On a linked account, you only have historical and ad speed, and you don't have Ad Exchange historical. In here, if you want to run an Ad Exchange report, you can check them by going to the Ad Exchange menu, and you have all these options. But this will only give you accurate stats for those running on dynamic allocation. So if, for example, you use Ad Exchange as price priority or house, then you won't get accurate data from here. You will need to use a mapped or primary account in order to get your Ad Exchange historical report and run accurate stats for all the line item types where Ad Exchange is running. If you have a regular Ad Exchange account and not a mapped account, don't worry. That should not stop you from earning more money from your ad inventory. If you work with Monetize More, we give you access to our Ad Exchange account. We can target your ad inventory, and you can still take advantage of most of these Ad Exchange features. And good news is, Monetize More now allows API connections to Ad Exchange reports and other ad network reports. So you can have all your data in a single platform. Check out our blogs for more details.